Picky Assist is all about giving you a truly connected experience. We know that businesses use many other apps to manage their operations effectively, and centralizing the data is a core part of business automation. That's why we have created a universal connector.
You can access the connector from more menus under Automations, Connectors. The connector feature allows you to connect all third-party platforms to Picky Assist. You can push and pull information using the connector. Here, you will find some predefined connectors to help you get started quickly. You can create different steps in a connector that get executed when the connector is triggered. So connector works in the principle of triggers and action. That is, when something happens either in third-party platform or inside the Picky Assist is considered an event. And you can take one or many actions together whenever an event triggers. For example, let's look at the connector integrated with our sign-up process. So whenever a sign-up happens on our platform, the data comes to this connector. You can see the first step searches in the lead module to see if the lead already exists. You can see here. So in the actions, it is going to be search in the specific lead module in the Picky Assist CRM and checking whether the lead is existing. Then what we have done is that we have checked a filter condition here. You can see that. So the search result is this. Then what we are doing is that we are updating the records from CRM modules. The next step is if the lead doesn't exist in the CRM, if the lead not found in the CRM, then it creates a new record inside the CRM. So these all get executed based on the filter conditions configured by you. So this is adding all the data that is from the sign up to the Picky Assist CRM. So after that, it handles the lead from this landing page. You can see, so we have a step that is dedicated only if the lead coming from the landing page of the platform. So here in the filter, we have defined an event, that is an event ID is equal to 6. So we internally define that event ID is 6. It can be anything for your cases. The filter can be anything. So based on this filter conditions, then the system is performing an actions of searching record and checking and inserting duplicate to the lead module. So the next step is to be insert the data into the module, right? So this is how, and we are even triggering a chatbot here so that we can able to qualify, we can ask certain questions and qualify the chatbot because it's coming from our landing page.
We have something called iteration. So iteration is useful to iterate through something like processing a search result or line items in a loop to build advanced automations. We have a separate video that explains iteration in detail and you may refer to that.
Then the filter, which we already explained that it is useful to filter data in a way that helps to decide what action to be taken based on the data coming to the connector. Then we have something called delay. So we can see that we are assigning chat to the Asian team, then we are assigning chat to the non-Asian team members based on the their mobile number. Then earlier we were using Soho actually very long back as a CRM before we having the CRM. Then even it adds to the Soho CRM as well, right? So you can see the delay. This is something which I want to explain, the delay. Okay, so this is the delay feature. So how it works is that delay is useful for delaying the execution dynamically, such as waiting for the step to be executed. When the system enters the steps, it will wait until the exact time and date and time before executing further steps. For in this case, you can see that the welcome message will be sent after 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes from the sign up number, this is going to be send an email and it is going to be send a specific WhatsApp message as well, right? So So it is going to be sent an email. This email is going to be sent. For example, this email is going to be sent, and it can also send a WhatsApp messages as well, and we ensures that the email is not getting sent to the opt-out customers, and we are sending the WhatsApp message as well. So this means the action, this is where all the magic happens inside the action. So we have around 35 plus actions, not just sending an email. We have broadcasting, we have HTTP requests, we have WhatsApp groups, modules, cancel, delay. So there are many actions are available. Based on different use cases, you can perform different kind of actions, like including trigger counter, or set a specific value, or change the owner in the record. So there are plenty of actions available, including the ChatGPT action is available, right? So my favorite action is HTTP trigger. So HTTP trigger that allows you to programmatically send a payload to a third party platform and progress the steps accordingly. That means you will be able to dynamically progress the steps. Then you can able to simply change the positions as well, dragging and dropping, like just drag and move the position. For example, you want first the actions to be taken, then you want to execute the filter,
or then you want to do the iteration,
or you want the delay should be happens. So this is about the possibilities with the Picky Assist connector.